Alright guys, so today I'm in La Fortuna. This is another tourist town, normally very busy. I've heard that there's normally just people flooding the sidewalks, but of course with COVID it's pretty quiet. The main attractions here are the volcano. You've got the Arenal, and I think Chateau is the other volcano. Unfortunately, because of the cloud cover, I can't see either of them right now. But I think that that's one of them right in front of me. Again, noticing all the empty restaurants and bars. Quad bike rental. There's so much tourism here. But because of COVID, it's definitely a different vibe here to Monteverde. I think this town is more typical of a Costa Rican town than Monteverde is. It's busy, it has tourism, and it also has the normal town like business, industry and stuff like that. Everything costs money here. There's waterfalls you can go see. That will cost you $20 US. There's hikes you can do. That will cost you 15. You can hire a personal tour guide for a day. It'll cost you about $70 US. That's the funny thing about Costa Rica is it's like a third world place, but with more than first world prices. It's actually quite ridiculous sometimes. I've been trying to do things cheap. I haven't actually eaten out once for that reason. See, this restaurant is empty. Next door is empty. Here there are more empty restaurants. A burger place. Another restaurant. No one around. I mean, 11 o'clock's a little bit early, but I don't expect to see anyone.
Alright guys, and this is the hostel I'm staying at. This is Selena's in La Fortuna. You can expect to get a dorm room and have it to yourself for your entire stay for about $8 to $10 US. Be careful when you're booking because the prices change a lot online. If you see a cheap price, if you see it for $8 or $10, it's probably worth grabbing it. Otherwise, come in and ask and try and get them to do the price a little bit better for you. Because Selena's is like an international hostel chain, it's a bit difficult to get them to change the prices though, as I've found. For me, I was paying $8.30 for the weekdays and I'm paying $10 for this weekend night. So I hope this helps you if you're thinking of traveling to Costa Rica during COVID. Things here in La Fortuna, they're definitely quiet. Stuff still tends to be on the expensive side as far as the national parks and other activities are concerned. But you can find a hostel for a pretty good price and have a pretty chill time here.